Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show everyone the newest addition to my shop. I picked up this small Craftsman lathe off eBay recently. It looked to be in pretty good condition with most of the things you need. However, it's really dirty, as you can see here. This lathe has a swing of 6 inches and a distance between centers of 18 inches. These lathes are commonly called the 618 Craftsman Lathe. These small lathes were made by Atlas, which is now closing, and have been in the old Sears catalog for years. Here's a photo from a 1944 Sears catalog and another from a 1956 Sears catalog. And finally, here is one from a Sears catalog in 1971. From my research on these Craftsman lathes, it is very difficult, if not impossible, to find a date of manufacture. It's my understanding that a lot of the manufacturing records were lost years ago because of a company move and a fire. The best I can estimate from my research is that this lathe was possibly made in the late 1971 or maybe sometime in 1972. If anyone can give me any more information about this lathe, based on the model number and serial number pictured here, I would sure appreciate it. It came with a set of change gears, and the gears in the headstock and back gears look to be in really good condition. The tailstock is complete, as well as the carriage, the cross slide, and the compound. It currently has the old lantern style tool post, but I will be adding a OXA quick change tool post. I will have to mill the base plate to fit, but that will be a project for my new Precision Matthews PM25 mill that I haven't done a video on yet. It didn't come with a motor or belt, but I have a motor pulley on the way, and I want to get it leveled and bolted down to see what size belts I'm going to need. If you watch my video from a couple of years ago called The Ultimate Harbor Freight Lathe Upgrade, you know that I didn't use the 3/4 horsepower motor that came with it, since I used a motor and speed controller from an old treadmill. So I'll be using that motor for this lathe. If you want to check out that video, I'll put a link down in the video description of this video. Also, it did not come with a chuck, only the faceplate shown here. The faceplate was stuck pretty good, but once I got it off, I screwed on a thread protector that I 3D printed. My plan is that once I get this lathe running and usable, I will disassemble it and give it a thorough cleaning and fresh oiling, and I probably won't do a complete restoration where it looks brand new, but I think it will look much better just getting some of the dirt and grime off of it. If you found this video entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Until then, thank you very much for watching.